DJI's long-rumored Avatar 360 has just surfaced in another leak, bringing fresh information about its regional launch timing, early design cues, and the pricing tiers. The latest leak comes ahead of the official debut of the next-generation 360-capable tiny drone. The DJI's Avatar 360 prototype with a camera housing that can rotate, which is a feature not found even on its main competitor, the anti-gravity A1. While in action, this rotating mechanism for the camera would allow the DJI Avatar 360 to offer both 360-degree capture device and even forward-facing shooting for typical FPV flight. The design for the Avatar 360 built around dual camera modules and a device footprint optimized for 360-degree capture. Some leaks even show the drone with a rotating camera unit that could help transition between traditional FPV and full-sphere 360-degree shooting modes. This technology seemed to draw inspiration from another one of DJI's popular gadgets, the Osmo 360 action camera. In imagery, one camera lens appears oriented inwards while the other faces outward, suggesting flexibility in how footage is captured. The accompanying controller feed also reportedly shows a traditional FPV view instead of an immediate 360-degree stitch, which further lends weight to the dual shooting mode functionality. The Avatar 360 could record video up to 8K resolution using dual 1/1.1-inch CMOS sensors. These twin large sensors should offer improved low light performance and better dynamic range. Overall, the drone is expected to be offered in at least 3 configurations at launch. Base drone only with one battery, around 2,988 yuan, roughly $435 US. Drone plus RC2 controller combo, around 3,988 yuan, roughly $575 US. Fly More bundle with 3 batteries, a charging hub, a carry case, and a choice of RC2 or goggles in 3. Around 5,688 yuan, roughly $825 US. This tiered pricing strategy could make the Avatar 360 considerably more accessible than some premium 360 drone rivals, while giving buyers options based on how much gear they want right out of the box. DJI staging a China-centric launch for the Avatar 360 in March 2026, possibly followed by a separate global unveiling a couple of weeks later. This pattern would mirror earlier DJI rollouts, where China got first access before a broader release.